This is a video guide about getting rid of the pop-ups by the site Jumadefs.xyz. Jumadefs.xyz is a dangerous site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. This site displays its pretty fake and obviously scary alerts that try to make you download and install some potentially unwanted applications. If you see pop-ups by the site Jumadefs.xyz, don't trust them and just leave this deceptive page. I also recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching your system. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to detect and effectively eliminate other infections which might still possibly stealthily remain on your device. So Combo Cleaner will help you very well in this matter to keep your Mac always clean and to keep your Windows or Android or iOS device always clean. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.